Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. We're going to talk about the WEMOS D1 Mini Pro, the ESP8266. We're going to talk about the antenna here. This board here has a 8266 Wi-Fi module. Then it has the ceramic antenna right here. And as you can see, it has the external antenna connection right here. Well, in order to use the external antenna, you need to move this 0 ohm component from here to here. So it needs to be unsoldered and resoldered to this, which obviously isn't probably the most easiest thing to do, which we're going to try to do this later in another video. But right there you can see it a little bit better. This one right here needs to be soldered here so it can follow this trace to the antenna coming out of here and down, other than going this way. Needs to go this way. It was brought to my attention, which I never really messed with these very much. Then I got to looking and I was like, haha, that makes sense. So shout out to the person that brought that up to my attention. But I just figured I would show this to hopefully help some others. But it's very small, so. But other than that, that's about all I have for this video. We'll make another one trying to move this and see how we make out. All right, thanks for watching.